Which bus goes to the park?
Hello, excuse me.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. Which bus goes to the park?
Do you mean Central Park?
Yes, exactly.
Then you're in the right place. You need bus number 12. It goes directly to the park.
Does it come often?
About every 20 minutes.
Do you know when the next one is?
In about 5 minutes.
Perfect. I don't like to wait long.
Me neither. Are you on vacation here?
No, I live here.
Welcome to our city. The park is really beautiful.
Thanks. Is there a lake there?
Yes, a small lake with ducks.
Oh, I really like ducks. Does bus 12 stop right at the entrance?
Yes, right at the main entrance.
Very good. You can buy a ticket on the bus, but you need exact change.
Good. I have some coins.
Then you're all set. Oh, here comes the bus now.
Yes, I see it. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have fun in the park.
At the bus stop.
Excuse me, is this the bus to the museum?
Yes, this bus goes to the city center, near the museum.
Great. Thank you. How much is the ticket?
$2.50. You can pay the driver.
Do I need the exact change?
Yes, it's better. The driver doesn't always have coins.
Okay. Does the bus stop at the park too?
Yes, 2 stops before the museum.
Perfect. And how long does the ride take?
About 15 minutes.
Good. Is it a long wait now?
No, the bus comes every 15 minutes.
Super. Oh, is that it?
Yes, that's the bus. Number 14.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice visit.
Exchanging money.
Hello. I would like to change some euros to dollars.
Of course. How much would you like to change?
200 euros.
Okay. The rate today is €1 equals $1.05.
So how many dollars will I get?
Let me calculate. 200 euros is $210.
Okay. Is there a fee?
Yes, $5 service fee.
So I get $205?
Exactly. Would you like small bills or large bills?
Small bills, please.
No problem. Here you are, 10 20s and 1 5.
Thank you very much. Can I pay with a credit card?
For changing money, no, only cash.
Okay, I understand. Do you need my passport?
Yes, please, just for identification.
Here you go.
Thank you. Everything is fine. Here is your receipt.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too.
Conversation on a train. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please, sit down.
Thank you. Is this train going to Chicago?
Yes, direct to Chicago. No changes.
Perfect. Do you know how long the trip is?
About 3 hours.
Oh, that's not too bad. Do they sell drinks on the train?
Yes, there is a cafe car. They have coffee, tea, sandwiches, and snacks.
Super. Do they accept credit cards?
Yes, they do.
Great. Is there Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, free Wi-Fi for all passengers.
That's good. I can work then.
And there are power outlets next to the seats.
Fantastic. I can charge my laptop.
Exactly. The train is very comfortable.
Yes, I see that. Do you take this train often?
Yes, almost every week for work.
Then you know it well. Does it arrive on time?
Usually, yes, but sometimes 10 minutes late.
That's not too bad. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
You too. Milk allergy. Good morning. Are you ready to order breakfast?
Yes, but I have an allergy to milk.
No problem. We have many options without milk.
Do you have soy milk?
Yes, we have soy and almond milk.
Perfect. Can I have cereal with almond milk?
Of course. Anything else?
Toast with jam, please, but no butter.
No problem. Do you want juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Very good. So, cereal with almond milk, toast with jam, and orange juice.
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your breakfast will be ready soon. Paying the bill. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, very much. Everything was delicious.
Great. Would you like dessert?
No, thank you. Just the bill, please.
Of course. One moment. Here you are.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. Visa or MasterCard?
Visa? Here you go.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done? Is it okay?
Yes. Payment accepted. Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.